Sorry, Mom. I will stop.
Leo, what was that noise? The dog knocked it over. Buddy is sleeping outside right now.
Maybe he came in earlier.
Leo, look at me. Did the dog break this vase?
No, I broke it. I was playing ball inside.
Thank you for telling the truth.
Am I in trouble?
You broke a rule, and then you lied. Both things matter.
Buddy, I am sorry. I said you broke the vase. That was not true. Dad, I have to tell you something.
What happened?
I broke the vase in the living room. Then I said Buddy did it. Will I get a punishment?
Breaking the vase was an accident. That is not a big problem.
Then what is the big problem?
The lie, and blaming someone else for your mistake. You can use your savings to help pay for a new vase.
All of my savings?
Half. The other half of the responsibility is remembering this feeling.
Leo, can I use your markers?
Sure, but please put them back when you finish.
I will. Oh no, Mom will be upset.
Just tell her. It was an accident.
Mom, I spilled juice on the table. I am sorry.
Thank you for telling me right away. Let us clean it together. I did not want to lie again. It felt heavy. That heavy feeling is called guilt. It tells you something is wrong. Will it go away?
Good night, Buddy. Sorry again.